Yes, if you want to grow and market your business online, you definitely need a landing page and probably more than one. So in this quick start guide, we'll talk about what the heck a landing page is and how you can use them to automate your list growth and actually make some sales. So timestamps below, along with some other helpful links and resources, including a link to our landing page playbook and template library, so you can copy our proven conversion frameworks for designing these pages, as well as copywriting formulas to know what the heck to actually write on these pages. Now, landing pages are super simple pages designed to do one thing: collect email addresses, and that's it. Now, of course, I get a lot of questions when people look at simple pages like these that I say, hey, this is all you need for a landing page. And it normally goes something like this. Yeah, but that design's pretty ugly and my page builder has all these really nice looking designs. So why don't I just use one of those? And apart from the obvious critique of my lack of design skills, the answer is, well, how much would you pay if a page builder said, we'll just help you build these pages, right? So there is a certain aspect of giving you stuff you don't need, because after all, who's going to pay $50 a month for a software that just builds a simple page like this? So it is deceptively simple, and really, this is all you need for a successful landing page. In fact, this simple page converts at 45% on cold Facebook traffic. Design is not a huge key here. But what is a key is something called a lead magnet, or this is your free offer. After all, if we just made a page and said, hey, give me your email address so I can send you some emails and sell you some stuff, probably not going to get too many signups. So this is where your lead magnet comes in. Now, a lead magnet is simply a valuable free offer you make in exchange for that email address. This can be a template, an audit, a report. This could even be a special training. You've probably seen YouTube ads for webinars. Those are technically lead magnets as well. And this is something that you create that is genuinely valuable, not just type it into ChatGPT and then send it off like everyone's about to do in your niche. We want to create something that's based upon your own personal experience. And this is how you're going to start to build a relationship with people who've never heard of you before. Because, spoiler alert, the best way to get customers is to demonstrate that you're actually worth listening to by actually genuinely helping them. So I'll leave a link in the cards in the description to a full-blown guide that goes through all these different ideas, as well as how to create these for free using Google Slides, Google Docs, and of course, Canva. All right, so now that we have our landing page and at least some idea of your lead magnet, you don't have to necessarily know exactly what your lead magnet is going to be yet. Let's go ahead and look at how these two work together to create something called a lead generation funnel. Simple two-step process. Easier than me stuttering over my words. So go ahead, let's jump into this diagram. So let's say, for example, you make some YouTube videos, blog posts, or you're being really ambitious and you're running some Facebook ads. Well, inside of those tutorials, you could say something to the effect of, hey, if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed this blog post, I have this super cool thing that I think is actually going to help. In fact, that's very similar to what I did at the beginning of this video, along with a link to our landing page playbook and template bundle, so you can copy our design frameworks and copywriting formulas straight into your own pages and funnel. And once you have that basic call to action in your content or your ad, hopefully they click the link over to your landing page, they share their email address, you only need the email address, and then you send them an email with the lead magnet. And that's how this simple two-step process works. You make a cool offer in a lead magnet, they get it, and hopefully they find value in it. And of course, if they do, then they're much more likely to open your future emails as well. Obviously, if we just use AI or just go ahead and create some really, really low value lead magnet, then you might get a lot of signups, but then no one's actually going to read your email, which means you're not going to make too many sales. And so that's all there is to this two-step process of landing page to lead magnet. So thank you so much for watching. Sincerely hope you got some value out of this video. Most importantly, you have a much clearer picture of what a landing page is and what the heck a lead magnet is and how these two work together to actually help grow your email list. So I'll leave a link in the description, of course, to our landing page playbook, which is our own lead magnet and landing page combo to help you create your own landing pages and boost your conversions. So hit that like button, subscribe for more marketing guides just like this one, and until the next, keep building the business you love.